New at noon, 4 people are hurt after an accident at the annual chainsaw carving event in Hackensack, Minnesota. Emergency officials were called just after 3:30 on Saturday afternoon after a vehicle hit several people and a tent in downtown Hackensack. Officials say an 80-year-old man was trying to park an SUV, but it rolled out of the parking spot and ran into a tent. 3 adults were taken to area hospitals for minor injuries. 1 person was airlifted to Duluth Hospital for serious injuries. The sheriff's office says the driver of the vehicle is cooperating and alcohol was not a factor.